Okay, hello everyone. Hi guys. Hello, how are you all? Good afternoon. How are you all? Hello. Hello, good Ruchi. Hello, Gopal. Hello, Smriti. Hello, Naveen. Hello, Hema. Hello, Lakshmi. How are you all? Audio, video, everything is clear, working fine with everyone. Okay, so today we are going to discuss previous year questions, memory based analysis. Okay, this is based on the topics which were asked in the previous October exam cycle. So I have framed some questions based on that particular topic to give you a proper question paper that how you can expect question in your examination, right? So everyone, hello, hi Hema. So everything is good. Can we start the session then? Whoever is watching this video, just first of all, it's a request that please at least like the video and share this video as much as you can. So please just like and share the video as much as you can. Okay, everyone. So let's start discussing. Okay, so very first question, very easy. Consider the following statement regarding the declaration of foreign exchange in India, right? First of all, a person bringing foreign exchange into India must always declare it to the custom authorities regardless of the amount. Second, a declaration is not required if the total currency notes or the traveler checks bought in does not exceed USD 10,000 or its equivalent. You have to choose the correct statement here. So this is regarding when you are bringing in any foreign exchange in India. So which statement is correct regarding this foreign exchange bringing in? So you have four options, only one, only second, both one and two, or neither one nor two. Everyone, please answer this question. Hi, hi, Rigved. So, voice is clear. I think the voice is coming perfectly fine to everyone. So, if you are facing low issue voice, everyone, just please give me the answer. The voice is clear or not to everyone? So, this I have already explained in the class that if you are bringing the foreign exchange, a declaration is not required to the custom authority if that currency notes or the traveler check does not exceed $10,000 or equivalent amount. So up to $10,000, you can just bring in to India without even declaring it to the custom authorities. But yes, if you are bringing more than this, then you have to declare it to the custom authorities. So the correct answer for this question is only 2. B is the correct answer. Yes, everyone is correct here. B is the correct answer. Right, everyone? So just please like and share the video, everyone, guys. Whoever is watching this video, at least just please like the video. Okay. Next question. Which of the following is not a valid mode of filing a complaint with CRPC, Central Receipt Processing Center? So this is regarding the banking ombudsman scheme. So you know that all the complaints are first of all received by CRPC Chandigarh. So which of the following mode is not a valid mode for complaining? Online portal, electronic mode, filing through an advocate, or physical mode by post, courier, or hand delivery. So the correct answer is everyone. You can all answer this question easily. Not a valid mode for filing a complaint with CRPC, Chandigarh. So, Banking Ombudsman Scheme. This is the question regarding the Banking Ombudsman Scheme. So, everyone, please answer this question. Naveen, Sunny, Lakshmi, Gopal, Yala, Ruchi, Shirish. Yes, everyone is correct. So, we have three modes: valid mode, online, electronic, and physical mode. Obviously, filing through an advocate is not a correct mode of filing complaint with CRPC. So C is the correct answer, right? Next, which of the following statement about negotiable instrument is false? So negotiable instruments, check, promissory note, bill of exchange, right? So which of the following statements about the negotiable instrument is false? First, a check is always payable on demand. Second, promissory note must be signed by both the maker and the payee. Third, a bill of exchange involves three parties: drawer, drawee, and payee. Fourth, a negotiable instrument can be transferred from one person to another. So you have to choose the incorrect statement regarding the negotiable instrument. Very easy. You can all answer this question correctly. Everyone, you can all answer this question. Everyone, you guys. Please answer this question, everyone. So the correct answer for this question is, so the correct answer for this question is, which of the following statements about the negotiable instrument is false? Everyone. So yes, first of all, a check is payable on demand. True. A promissory note must be signed by maker and payer. False. So maker and the pay. No, the pay don't have to sign or accept the promissory note. So no acceptance is required in the promissory note. So B is incorrect. C is correct. Bill of exchange has three parties: drawer, draw, and pay. And negotiable instruments are called as negotiable instrument because they can transfer from one person to another. So that are correct statement. A and C and D are correct statement. B is the false statement. Okay, everyone. Next question. Next question. Consider the following statement about the power of attorney. Right? A general power of attorney grant specific and limited power to the agent. A special power of attorney is given for a particular purpose and become invalid once the purpose is fulfilled. A general power of attorney allows the agent to sign check, stop payment of the check, and signs borrowable documents on the behalf of the principal. So you have to choose the incorrect statement here regarding the power of attorney. Incorrect statement here. Incorrect statement. You just have to choose the incorrect statement here. Very easy. You can all answer this question. Very easy. Power of attorney. So you have to pick out the statements regarding the power of attorney. Everyone. General power of attorney give specific and limited power to the agent. Just read out carefully. We have to choose the incorrect statement now. So this type of question you have to take care, right? So what types the correction is asked or the incorrection is asked, right? So general power of attorney give specific? No, a special power of attorney gives a special purpose, or it is actually valid for a special purpose and becomes invalid once the purpose is fulfilled. Whereas a general power of attorneys allows the agent to sign the check, stop payment of the check, signs borrower document on the behalf of principal. Correct. So wrong statement is only one. Yes, A is the correct answer. So this is the incorrect statement. We have to choose the incorrect statement here, right, everyone? Everyone, just please like and share the video, guys. At least just like the video. So whoever bankers are watching this session, at least just please like the video. Everyone. Okay. Next question. Which of the following statement regarding the DDA schemes is or are correct? Diamond dollar scheme. DDA scheme. First, only firms and companies eligible under the foreign trade policies can open a DDA account. Second, the DDA account can be used for making the payment for the purchase of rough cut polished diamonds. Third, the DDA account can earn interest on the balance maintained. So, which of the following statement is correct regarding the diamond dollar account? So, I have already given you the detail of the diamond dollar account. Everyone, correct. You have to choose the correct statement here. Everyone, just focus on the question carefully and answer. Just focus on the question carefully and answer. Everyone, which of the following statement regarding the DTA, Diamond Dollar Account scheme, is correct? Okay, so the correct answer for this question is Diamond Dollar Account. First, only firms and companies eligible under the foreign trade policies can open a DDA account. True. True. So if you are involved in the import and export, you are allowed to have a DDA account. True. Second, it is responsible for making payment for the purchase of rough, cut, and unpolished diamond. True. right? The DDA account can earn interest on the balance maintained. No, the DDA account is a type of current account. If it is a current account, then no interest is paid on the current account, right? So first and second statement is correct, and the third statement is wrong. So A is the correct answer. Yes, Hema, Smriti, Ravi, Lakshmi, Sunny, Gopal, Naveen, everyone is correct here. A is the correct answer, right? Everyone. True. Next question. Which of the following statement is true regarding the termination of the bank customer relationship? So, you know that a bank customer relationship can be terminated in some conditions, right? So, which of the following statement is true? Choose the correct statement regarding the bank customer relationship. First, a customer cannot close their deposit account without bank approval. A bank can close an account without giving notice to the customer. A bank stops all the debit transaction upon receiving the notice of the customer's death. In case of the company's liquidation, without withdrawals from the account is still permitted. Everyone, please answer this question. True. Which of the following is true regarding the bank customer relationship? You can answer this question, everyone. Everyone, just please answer this question. Read out carefully. Don't hush, don't rush. Just read out carefully and answer this question. Everyone, just read out carefully. Question. A customer cannot close their deposit account without the bank approval. False. Wrong. A bank can close the account without giving proper notice to customer. False. A bank stop all the debit transactions upon receiving notice of the customer death. True. However, credits are allowed, debits are stopped. In case of companies, liquidation withdrawal are still permitted. False. They are stopped immediately. So C is the correct answer. Every one of you is correct, right? Gopal, Naveen, Ravi, Vichya, Hema, right? Ruchi, Shirish, yes, everyone is correct. Okay. Okay, next. A bank customer relationship can be terminated due to only at the customer's request, only the bank's decision, either the customer request or the legal reason, or none of the above. Answer the question, everyone. A bank customer relationship can be terminated due to which of the following reason? Obviously, it can be done either on the bank's decision or on the customer decisions or on the legal request or allowed. So obviously the most appropriate answer for this question is C. The most appropriate answer for this question is C. Right, everyone. True. Good, everyone. Next question. Consider the following statement regarding the portfolio management services. Now, portfolio management services, we have discussed the portfolio management services in the today's morning lecture of PPB, right? PMS. Portfolio management services ensure a fixed return to the investor, minimizing market related risk. Funds under the PMS can be deployed in call money, bill money, or corporate loans. Which of the following statement is or are correct regarding the portfolio management services? You can all answer this question easily. Everyone, everyone. So this is, you have to just focus carefully. Correct statement. Portfolio management services. Correct statement, everyone. Don't hush and rush. Just please focus and answer this question. Focus and answer this question. Everyone, just please, everyone, just please at least like the video, whoever is watching this session. Okay. Portfolio management services. So read out carefully. Read out carefully the RBI guideline regarding the portfolio management service. First of all, RBI says to bank that you cannot fixed or you cannot commit a fixed return to the investor. So PMS never ensure a fixed return to investor. Wrong. Okay. Second, whatever the funds which are collected under the PMS are actually deployed in long term financial instrument, because the fund should be for more than 1 year. So how you can deploy it in the call money? Call money is not for 1 year. Okay, so it is only in the capital market, you can say, right? So you have to invest it in the long term financial instrument. So B is also wrong. So yes, if we talk about the correct answer, neither one nor two is the correct statement here. Both are the wrong statement here. That's why you have to make sure that you have to focus on each and every word which I'm teaching you in the class, because every word has its important. When I have said that short term instruments, long term instrument, the PMS funds are allowed for acceptance when they have the investment of more than 1 year. How the call money can be included in that, right? So this is the one thing due to which the whole statement is wrong, right? So D, neither one nor two. Done. Done. Next, where should a customer service committee be established? Only at the bank's head office, at all bank branches, only in the metro city branches, or only at the regional offices? Where should a customer service committee be established? CSC. Customer service committee be established. Where? Where should a customer service committee be established? Everyone. So yes, at all bank branches, very easy. So B is the correct answer. So it is very easy. Customer service committee should be established at all bank branches. So B is the correct answer here, right? Good. Next question. The Direct Benefit Transfer Program, DBT program. The Direct Benefit Transfer Program, aimed at delivering subsidies and cash benefits directly to the beneficiary, was initially implemented under the structured banking model to ensure seamless fund transfer. So, which banking model, under which banking model DPT program has been introduced? Single bank, multiple district model, one district, one bank model, universal banking framework, decentralized benefit distribution model. Everyone. Yes. So when we are talking about the DBT scheme, direct benefit transfer scheme, where the subsidies and cash benefits are delivered directly to the beneficiaries, it was implemented under one district, one bank model scheme. So B is the correct answer. So it is actually established under one district, one bank model scheme. So B is the correct answer here. Right, everyone? Good. Everyone is correct here. Next question. Consider the following statement. Regarding the transactions by the bank, we have to report to the Financial Intelligence Unit India. You have to identify the incorrect statement here. You have to identify the incorrect statement here. Everyone, you have to identify the incorrect statement here. Consider the following statement regarding the reporting of suspicious transactions by the bank to Financial Intelligence Unit India. We have to choose the incorrect statement. Bank are required to report suspicious transaction to Financial Intelligence Unit India only if the transaction value exceed a specific monetary threshold. Only completed monetary transaction are to be reported. Non-monetary and attended transaction do not need to be reported. Bank have a reporting time period of 30 days from the bank or for the establishment of the suspicious to notify it to FIU India. So you have to choose the incorrect statement here. Everyone, everyone, please answer this question. You have to choose the statement. Incorrect statement here. You can all answer this question. Incorrect statement. Very easy. Incorrect statement. First of all, incorrect statement. You have to choose the incorrect statement here. When we are talking about the incorrect statement, none of the statements are correct here. First, bank are required to report the suspicious transaction to FIU India only if the transaction value exceeds a specific monetary threshold. There is no monetary limit. Even if a 1 rupee transaction is done, but that is a suspicious transaction, you have to report to FIU India. So first is wrong. Second, only completed monetary transaction need to be retorted. False. Completed, non-completed, even the attempted transaction. If you have any doubt, you have to report it to the FIU India. Right? Third, bank has a timeline of 30 days. No, bank have a timeline of 7 days that you have to report the transaction within 7 days of establishing the suspicion to that transaction. So all the three statements are incorrect. All the three statements are incorrect. Right? All the three statements are incorrect. Everyone. Good? Next. If an unauthorized transaction occurs in a BSBDA account and the reporting it between 4 to 7 working days, what is the maximum liability of the customer in this case? The very important question. Everyone, please answer this question. Very easy. BSBDA account. I have already given you the details of it. Everyone, BSBDA account. Read out the question carefully, everyone, and then please answer. Saurabh, read out the question carefully and then answer. Unauthorized transaction in the BSBDA account and the customer report it between 4 to 7 working days. It means that there is a delay in reporting. When there is a delay in reporting in BSBDA account, the maximum liability can be 5,000 of the customer. If they report within 3 days, then no liability. If they report between 4 to 7 days, maximum 5,000. If they report after 7 days, bank are free to decide the liability, or in this case means either the whole amount transactions can be taken from that holder. Okay. Done. So in this case, it is 5,000. All of you are wrong. All of you are confused. 4 to 7 working days means delay. So when there is a delay of 4 to 7 working days, you are reporting it within 4 to 7 working days. Maximum liability is 5,000. If you've reported within 3 days, then there is no liability. Okay. Next, regarding the statements, you have to choose the correct statement regarding the white label ATM. White label ATM are owned and operated by non-banking active entities approved by RBI under the Payment and Settlement System Act 2007. White label ATM display the branding and signage of the bank they are linked to. Which of the following statement is correct regarding the white label ATMs? White label ATMs, everyone. White label ATMs, everyone. You have to choose the correct statement here, guys. Please answer this question. And everyone who is watching this session, at least just please like and share the video to the maximum you can. Please just like and share the video to the maximum you can. Everyone. Just a second, huh? Give me 1 minute. I'm coming. Just please hold for 1 minute. Okay. Okay, everyone. So the answer is yes, A. Only one is correct. Because second, no. The white label ATM does not display the branding. It is the brown label ATM which display the branding and the signage of the bank. So only one is the correct answer here. Okay. No, Saurabh, you don't have the class at 1 p.m. You have actually class at 1:30. By 1:30, I am finishing the session. Then 1:30, Anshul ma'am will take over the session, okay, for the RBWM, and that will be in the app, Oliveboard app. Okay. Now, next, let's talk about the next thing. Which network operates the majority of networked ATM in India? Which network is operating the majority of networked ATM in India? Visa, MasterCard, NFS, or SWIFT? Everyone, please answer this question. Which network operates the majority of networked ATM in India? Yala, C. And everyone else? Satish has said C. Which network operates the majority of networked ATM in India? So the correct answer is yes, National Financial Switch. No. National NFS, National Financial Switch is actually operating the ATMs in India, networked ATM system in India. Where is Hema? Why Hema is not answering? Yes, where is Shirish? Okay, where is everyone? Where is I think Ruchi? Where is Ruchi? Everyone, you have to answer this question, right? Done? Yes. Next question. What is the standard patent protection period in India for the invention? So you know that patent is given for a limited period of time. So what is the maximum time period for which the patent is given for any invention in India? 10 years, 15 years, 20 years, or 25 years. So the patent protection period in India, everyone, the patent protection period in India. Yes, 20. Sorry, why? C is the correct answer. 20 years. So maximum, so there is a limited time period to which the patent standard protection is provided in India, and that is the 20 years. Okay, so C is the correct answer. Done. Next question. Who is authorized to issue credit cards in India? So now, just a second, listen everyone. So all of you always ask me, ma'am, please forward the link before the class, or you even don't know when the class is going on. Okay, you don't have any notification, you always message. Instead of this, just please subscribe to this channel. Whenever I am going to take marathon, it will be on this channel only, right? So if you are subscribing and pressing the bell notification icon, YouTube will give you the notification of the class, right? So you will not miss any class. Okay, so meanwhile I'm getting very SMS and WhatsApp that please forward the link. So link, actually, you just, if you subscribe to this channel now, you will get automatic link from the YouTube in your phone, right? So do that. Okay, this is easier for you. So who is authorized to issue credit cards in India? Only scheduled commercial bank, only NBFCs, both bank and NBFCs with RBI approval, or any financial institution? So the correct answer is everyone. So, who is authorized to issue credit card? Obviously, both bank and NBFCs, if they have the Reserve Bank of India's approval, yes, they are authorized to issue the credit card, right? Next, which committee was set up by SEBI to strengthen corporate governance in India? Which committee was actually set up by Securities and Exchange Board of India to strengthen the corporate governance in India? Narsimha Committee, Rangarajan Committee, Uday Kotak Committee, or Malhotra Committee? Everyone, please answer this question. Now, committee related question is very important again for all of you. Everyone, please answer this question. SEBI. So, which committee has been set up by SEBI to strengthen corporate governance in India? So, the correct answer is. So, now you are all confused. Okay, Rigved is saying C, Saurabh D, Gopal D, Shirish A. Okay, so Rigved is correct here. Uday Kotak committee has been set up to strengthen the corporate governance in India. So C is the correct answer here, everyone. C is the correct answer here. Done, everyone, you guys? At least just please like the video, guys. At least just please like the video, everyone. It's a request that please just like the video, whoever is watching this session. Next. Okay. What type of network topology does a banknet follow? Module C question. Banknet follow which type of network topology? Star, bus, ring, or mesh topology? Everyone, please answer this question. Everyone, please answer this question. Banknet. So BankNet actually follows mesh topology. Mesh topology where every node is connected to a multiple nodes. Okay. So when every node is connected to a multiple nodes, then it is called as mesh topology. And BankNet follow the mesh topology. This same question was asked in the October exam cycle, right? So mesh topology is the correct answer. Okay. Done. Gopal is saying that Yuchi, you are backward. Yes, Yuchi, your answer is coming late. Okay, we are in the mesh topology topic. Okay, if a customer provides an officially valid document without an address at the time of account opening, within how many months they have to submit a officially valid document with the current address? Same question was asked in the previous exam cycle. Same question. So it was saying that if a customer does not submit any officially valid document at the time of account opening, because without an address, right? So if he has submitted but it don't have any address, then how much month we have to submit the OVD with the current address? Everyone, please answer this question. In how many months? So the correct answer is yes, no, not 6 month. It is 3 months, not 6 month, 3 month, guys. If a customer provides an officially valid document without an address at the time of account opening, within 3 months of the account opening, they have to submit an OBD which have their current address. So three is the correct answer. 3 months is the correct answer. No, 3 months, not 6 months. 3 months. Point to be noted, everyone. Point to be noted, everyone. It is 3 months. Okay, next question. Which of the following statement about DigiLocker is incorrect? DigiLocker is incorrect. DigiLocker provide a cloud storage space to Indian citizen linked to their Aadhaar number. DigiLocker allows citizens to upload scanned copies of document, but these cannot be e-signed. Organization can issue and verify digital document through DigiLocker. DigiLocker support paperless governance and is aligned with the Digital India initiative. So the correct answer is everyone, please answer this question. Which of the following statement about DigiLocker is incorrect? Everyone, please answer this question. Which of the following statement regarding DigiLocker is incorrect? Everyone. DigiLocker. First of all, DigiLocker provides cloud storage space to Indian citizens linked to Aadhaar number. True. Okay. DigiLocker allows citizens to upload scanned copies of document true, but cannot e-sign. False. It can be e-signed. It can be e-signed. So incorrect is B. Incorrect is B, right? You can e-sign the DigiLocker document. So B is the correct answer, right? Okay. Next, which of the following statements is or are true? It is regarding the indemnity, contract of indemnity. The question is regarding the contract of indemnity. There are three parties to a contract of indemnity: indemnifier, indemnity holder, and the person on whose behalf indemnity is given. Indemnifier's liability occurs only if the indemnity holder suffer loss. Customer, as a matter of right and without an indemnity, can obtain a duplicate demand draft or traveler's check. Indemnities are required by the bank purely as a formality and does not serve any purpose. So you have to choose the correct statement here. Very easy. Correct statement. Four statements are there. You have to choose the correct statement regarding the contract of indemnity. Everyone, please answer this question. So four questions, four statements. You have to choose the correct statement regarding the contract of indemnity. Contract of indemnity. True statements regarding the contract of indemnity. Everyone. Let's see. First, there are three parties. No, false. There are only two parties: indemnified and indemnifier. Okay. Second, indemnity liability occurs only if indemnity holder suffer loss. True. Customer, as a matter of right and without an indemnity, can obtain a duplicate demand draft. False. It is necessary to sign the contract of indemnity before having the duplicate demand draft or tabular check, right? Indemnity are required by the bank as purely as formality. False. So only second statement is correct. D is the correct answer. Right, everyone. Okay. True. Next question. Which of the following statements about securities in banking is correct? Now, securities in banking: primary and collateral security. Primary collateral security is the asset against which the loan is granted, such as a stock, receivables, or machinery. Collateral security can be provided by the borrower and not by the third party. You have to check or correct the statement. Choose the correct statement here. Correct statement, very easy. Everyone, please answer this question. Correct statement. We have to choose the correct statement. Correct statement, guys. Correct statement. Ruchi is saying D. Only Ruchi is correct here. For a change. Very nice, Ruchi. Only Ruchi is correct here. Oh, see, you are all saying first statement is correct. Choose A, B, C, D. So D is the correct statement because first statement is correct. But second is wrong. Collateral security is actually given by the third borrower. So if you are saying that collateral security is not given by the third borrower, false, right? So second is wrong, first is correct. So only one statement is correct. So D is the correct answer here. Okay. D is the correct answer here, guys. D is the correct answer here, right? Done. Next question. For a safe deposit locker, a customer can make dash nominees. Only one, four, more than one, or two. For a safe deposit locker, a customer can make how many nominees? Everyone. For a safe deposit locker, a customer can make how many nominees? Yes, Hema, correct. C is the correct answer. More than one. So for a safe deposit locker, if you have a joint locker, you can make more than one nominee. Not a issue. C is the correct answer. Yes, not a issue. C is the correct answer. True. Next question. RBI introduced dash for interbank clearance of the check without their physical movement. The checks are paid based on their electronic image. So, which of the following system is actually for the interbank clearance of the check without their physical movement? Very easy question. Please answer this question. Yes, very easy. CTS, check truncation system. CTS is the correct answer, right? CTS, true. Next question. Which of the following statement is correct regarding the agent principal relationship in banking? Which of the following statement is correct regarding the agent principal relationship in banking? A bank act as a principal while providing services like demand draft and FD to the customer. A bank act as an agent when it collects check, bill or dividend on the behalf of its customer. In an agent principal relationship, the customer is always the agent and the bank is always the principal. Okay. And a bank never act as an agent for its customer in financial transaction. True statement. You have to select the correct statement here. Correct. You have to choose the correct statement here, everyone. You have to choose the correct statement here. A bank act as a principal. No, a bank act as a agent. So in a agent principal relationship, a bank is always an agent and the customer is always the principal. Vice versa is not true. And based on this, only B statement is correct here. Rest all ACD are wrong, right? So B is the correct answer. Next question. What is the minimum amount for a FD to be classified as bulk deposit in case of regional rural bank as per the RBI guidelines? So RRB. For RRB, what is the threshold for bulk deposit? Everyone. So everyone, have you subscribed this channel? So I always say please subscribe this channel everyone, so that every time I will be starting any marathon here, you will be notified by the YouTube itself. When you subscribe and press the bell notification icon, you will get the notification. So everyone, just please make sure that you subscribe this channel, because from next week onward we are starting module wise marathon sessions. Yes, module A, B, C, D for first IEFS, then module A, B, C, D for PPB, right? So every marathon will be going on this channel, everyone, okay? Bulk deposit. Which of the following is bulk deposit? 15 lakhs. Yes, 15 lakhs in case of RRB, Regional Rural Bank, is a bulk deposit. Done. It is 15 lakhs in case of RRB and 2 crore in case of scheduled commercial bank and small finance bank, right? 15 lakh in case of RRB, 2 crore in case of scheduled commercial bank and normal small finance banks, right? Okay. Next question. Which of the following statement about UPI 2.0 is correct? UPI 2.0. UPI 2.0 allows customer to link their overdraft account for transaction. Signed intent and QR in UPI 2.0 eliminate the need for additional security while making payments. Please answer this question. Everyone, please answer this question. UPI 2.0. Which statement is correct? Yes, 3 crore. Sorry, Ruchi. Sorry, Gurupal. Yes, 3 crore. Yes. Sometime I missed out, right? Sorry. 3 crore. Yes. Everyone, please answer this question. Correct statement regarding the UPI 2.0. Everyone. Correct statement regarding UPI 2.0. So, yes, if we talk about the correct statement regarding UPI 2.0, first statement is correct. Second, when you have signed intent and QR in UPI 2.0, it does not eliminate the additional security, but it actually enhances the additional security. That signed intent and QR actually enhance the additional security while making your payment. So first is correct, second is wrong statement. So A is the correct answer here, right? Ruchi, yes, limit has been enhanced, but I'm not sure that you will be asked the enhanced limit, right? So go as per the book. Okay. So as per book, this is the limit for the bulk deposit. Done. Okay, next question. Which of the following statement about Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana is incorrect? Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana. Which of the following statement regarding the Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana is incorrect? Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana is a mandatory scheme for all farmers, which include tenant farmer and sharecroppers also. The scheme covers all type of cross losses, which include the war-related damage and malicious destructions also. Aadhaar is optional for farmers enrolling in the Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana. Incorrect statement. We have to choose the incorrect statement here. Everyone, we have to choose the incorrect statement here. Everyone, we have to choose the incorrect statement here, guys. Incorrect. Vijay, Rigved, Hema, please read out. Please read out. We have to choose incorrect statement here, huh? This is very simple question. You just have to read out here. You will get the answer. Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana is a mandatory scheme. No, it is an optional scheme for all farmers. You can or you may not be enrolled in this. It cover all type of crop losses. No, it doesn't cover the loss which is caused by the war related damage. Third, Aadhaar is optional. No, Aadhaar is mandatory. So all the statements are incorrect. D is the correct answer here. No, D is the correct answer here. Clear? Clear, everyone? Next question. Now, this is a case study. Okay. Mr. Rajesh, who is an Indian citizen, moved to USA in 2019 for work and acquired NRI status. He maintained an NRO, non-resident ordinary account in India to manage his rental income from a property in Mumbai and other Indian earnings. Recently, he wanted to repatriate 5 lakh rupees from his NRO account to USA bank account. However, his bank informed him about certain restrictions and procedure on the repatriation from the NRO account. Which of the following statement is correct regarding the repatriation from the NRO account? Mr. Rajesh can freely repatriate any amount from his NRO account without any restriction. He can repatriate up to $1 million per financial year after submitting necessary documents and paying applicable taxes. Fund from an NRO account cannot be repatriated under any circumstances. He can repatriate the full amount only if he provides proof of property sale proceeds. So, which of the following statement is correct here? A case study, read out the question carefully and answer. This is a case study, read out the question carefully and then answer your question. Everyone, please answer this question, guys. He can reply in a NRO account. I already have told you. So you have a limit of $1 million per financial year. You can repartite up to $1 million per financial year after submitting your necessary documentation and paying applicable taxes. B is the correct answer here. So yes, it's a long question. It is a type of case study. Yes, there was one case study question from this NRO account. So I have framed this my case study to all of you, right? Done. Good. Next question. Who is eligible to open the exchange earner foreign currency account, EEFC account? Any Indian resident individual without foreign exchange earning, exporter and individual entities receiving foreign exchange, only NRIs, only foreign companies operating in India. EEFC account, everyone. EEFC account, very easy. Who is eligible to open the EEFC account? Everyone. You can answer this question. Yes, exporter and individual entities receiving foreign exchange. They are allowed to open the EEFC account. True. Next question. Which of the following is true about the chatbots? Chatbot require highly specialized programming skill to develop and deploy, rely on AI, voice recognition, and natural language processing, can perfectly understand complex human speeches, including metaphors and smiles, cannot be used for customer service and website interaction. Which of the following is true regarding the chatbots? Everyone. Which of the following is true regarding chatbots? Chatbots. Very easy. Which of the following is true regarding chatbot? True. So B is the correct answer. They rely on AI, voice recognition, and natural language processing. So B is the correct answer. True. Next question. What is a mobile money identifier MMID used for? 7-digit code for IMPS transaction, 12-digit code for Aadhaar link payment, 16-digit code for credit card transaction, 4-digit PIN for ATM withdrawal. MMID. What is MMID? What is MMID? What is MMID? Mobile money identifier used for. So it is a 7-digit code used for IMPS transaction. It is a 7-digit code used for IMPS transaction. True. Next, core banking solution. Correct statement regarding core banking solution. Enable customer to perform banking transaction from any branch of their bank. Operates in offline mode, require manual data synchronization between branches. Correct statement regarding CBS system. Which of the following is correct statement regarding the CBS system? Very easy. Correct statement. Correct statement regarding the CBS system. Everyone, please answer this question. Yes, first, enables to perform banking transaction from any branch of their bank. True. CBS operate in offline mode, require manual data synchronization. False. It actually requires online mode, right? So A is the correct statement and second is the wrong statement. A is the correct answer here, everyone. Okay. Now the last question. NRLM, which of the following statement regarding the National Rural Livelihood Mission is incorrect? This aims to organize rural poor women into self-help groups and federation to improve their livelihood. Mission provide direct cash benefit to all registered rural household without any eligibility criteria. Focuses on financial inclusion, demand driven approach, and encourage community to participate in the decision making. National Rural Livelihood Mission. Incorrect statement regarding the National Rural Livelihood Mission. We have to choose incorrect statement, everyone. We have to choose incorrect statement here, guys. Incorrect statement. So obviously incorrect statement is B. If you without any eligibility criteria you are registered in NRLM and you are receiving direct cash benefit, false. There are eligibility criteria for National Rural Livelihood Mission. So B is the wrong answer or wrong statement, right? So B is the correct answer, everyone. Done. So this is it for today. I hope that you have all enjoyed the questions for today's class. You can just please comment your feedback in the video itself. After I end this streaming, you will got a comment section. Please just drop your feedbacks to that particular. You just please drop your feedback for this particular session, everyone, and you just please recommend that what type of marathons you want me to give you on every Sunday, right? So from next Sunday, I will be following what you all want me to teach you, right? So just recommend your suggestions in the comment box. Whatever I feel the most suitable, that will be taken for the next Sunday session, right? Every Sunday you are going to have this marathon session, but what type of marathon you want, you can just recommend me in the comment box, right? Thank you so much, Ajay, Kritika, Vijay, Hema, Gopal, Sharmila. Thank you everyone who have joined this session. Thank you, Hema. Thank you, Ruchi. Thank you, Shirish. Thank you, everyone. Just please, before going, just at least like the video. And whoever has not subscribed this channel yet, is a request, guys, that please subscribe this channel and press the bell notification icon. Everyone, okay? And if you are new students, so please, if you want to learn each and everything in detail, you can just enroll yourself in the Oliveboard app, right? So in the Oliveboard app, we have started the all in one batch, which is actually the Crash plus Crackers batch, in which there is a revision theory session plus the MCQ session. Plus, you will get the access of all the live classes plus the recorded session. Currently, a very good discount on the occasion of Ramadan. So, Ramadan is going on. So, you know that there is a very good discount. A flat 51% off is going on in the Olive Board app. So, if you want to use, just please use it code SPL. If you are using this code SPL, you will get a flat 51% off on the Olive Board subscription. Thank you so much. Thank you. Have a really nice day. Thank you. Yes, MCQ will be there in the Crackers batch, everyone. Okay, take care. Bye bye, guys.